Hello YouTube, welcome back to EWA Learn English. My name is Adrian Nero and today we're going to be learning how to refuse in English. If you, like me, have a grandmother that loves you, maybe likes to feed you a little too much, you might be in a situation where you need to refuse. So let's cover some of the more basic and commonly used phrases to refuse someone. You might be walking down a busy street and somebody wants to sell you a really cool necklace. And you're in a hurry, so you simply say, sorry, no.
Sorry, no.
Sorry, no. I have 2 tickets for the Justin Bieber concert. Do you want to come with me? Sorry, no. Maybe you want to refuse somebody without hurting their feelings. Notice the facial expression. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. One phrase that can be polite is not really. It can also be sarcastic depending on your tone of voice and facial expression. Do you want to go to Sarah's party on Saturday?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not Sarah. If somebody asks you to do something and you don't want to do it or you can't do it, you can simply say, I'm not sure if I can.
Tina, I'm not really sure if I can.
Even if you are sure. I need this report done by Monday. Monday? I'm not sure if I can. If you want to refuse someone's request right now, but maybe you want to accept later, you'll say something like, maybe another day. Hey, do you want to go jogging with me down in the park? Maybe another day. Sometimes you have to refuse a really close friend, and maybe you want to do that in a very informal way. Hey, can you give me a lift? No can do, amigo. No can do. Hey man, can I borrow your car for the weekend? Last time you borrowed my car, you almost totaled it. No can do, amigo.
No can do, buckaroo.
No, okay, and that would have been better for the car example.
No can do.
Sometimes, even with close friends, you have to be very direct and very serious. You want to have dinner with me tonight?
No way.
My girlfriend suggested her mother's come for dinner. Almost. Maybe I am. My girlfriend told me that her mother was coming over for dinner.
No way.
No way. You can get the same message as saying no way in a more polite form. You can just simply say, I'd rather not. This expression is especially popular in Great Britain. That sounds lovely, but I'd rather not. Sometimes when you're desperate for an excuse to refuse somebody, you'll say something like, I'd love to, but I have to do anything else.
I'd love to, but I can't.
Some examples of something else might be, I'd love to, but I have to pet my parrot. I'd love to, but I have to feed my goldfish. I'd love to, but I really have to cut up some onions at home.
Onion.
Right, okay.
All right.
Another polite way to refuse someone is simply to say, I got plans. That sounds like a really good idea, but I have plans. Evil plans. Sinister plans. Plans to take over the world. Just joking. Or am I? Am I? A very casual way to refuse someone is to say, I'm good, thanks. If you're at your friend's house and he goes to the fridge and asks you, hey, you want a beer? You can refuse by saying, I'm good, thanks. In this expression, I'm good means I'm satisfied. I'm already happy. I don't need anything more. So that's why we say, I'm good, thanks. In this phrase, I'm good doesn't necessarily mean that I'm good as in a good person. I can use this phrase, I'm good, thanks, and actually be a very bad person.
You're not a bad person.
That does it for another episode of EWA English. Now you know how to refuse somebody politely, not so politely, directly, indirectly. but we hope that you won't refuse downloading our app. The link can be found below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.